Life has a tendency to get mundane, routine. There were times when I felt as though there was nothing to look forward to anymore. Each day so similar to the last, to the next. It has been said, however, on many occasions that travel can often serve as that miracle solution to all of our problems. I find that as soon as I get away for a few days, even for just a weekend, I somehow see things in a new way, a new, refreshed way. That time allows me to regroup, assess my direction in life, look at things with a bird's eye view on the world, look out the window to see and really take in all the beautiful things around me. It allows me to press the reset button and to truly reactivate all of my senses. Many of us have been given the gift of 5 senses. Senses that allow us to hear, touch, see,
taste and smell. I think the difference maker is the service, the ambiance, the experience, and the all-around feel of the restaurant. The important part of what we do here is when people come in from different walks of life, from having different type of day. Some people are excited, some people are, so whenever you walk in this door is when you kind of let go of everything, chill out, and have fun. And so a big part of eating here is, obviously eating good food, but having a good time, I think is really important. And mostly just good service, and honesty, when it comes to the way we treat clients is, there was a point in time in food where everything was fake and everything was like, you had a 19-year-old guy wearing a tie saying stuff like, I'm gonna be the pilot to your culinary voyage. It's like, take a more realistic, honest approach, and I think what we are trying to create, and hopefully it's what you'll get when you come to both my restaurants here in Montreal. Enjoy.